Today what we'll be going over is Chapter 15, Men's Hair Treatment. Key terms. FINASTERIDE. Say it with me. FINASTERIDE. An oral medication prescribed for men only to stimulate hair growth. Flap surgery. Say it with me. Flap surgery. A surgical technique that involves the removal of a bald scalp area and the attachment of a flap of hair-bearing skin. Full head bonding. Say it with me. Full head bonding. The process of attaching a hair replacement system to all areas of the head with an adhesive bonding agent. Hackling. Say it with me. Hackling. The process used to comb through the hair strands to separate them. Hair replacement system. Say it with me. Hair replacement system. Formerly called a hairpiece, also known as hair solution. Hair solution. Say it with me. Hair solution. Any small wig used to cover the top or crown of the head and integrated with the natural hair. Hair transplantation. Say it with me. Hair transplantation. Any form of hair restoration that involves the surgical removal or relocation of hair, including scalp reduction and flap surgery. Lace front. Say it with me. Lace front. Popular hair solution style used for off-the-face styles. MINOXIDIL. Say it with me. MINOXIDIL. Topical medication used to promote hair growth or reduce hair loss. Root turning. Say it with me. Root turning. Refers to sorting the hair strands so that the cuticle points towards the hair ends in its natural direction of growth. Scalp reduction. Say it with me. Scalp reduction. The surgical removal of a bald area followed by the pulling together of the scalp ends. Toupee. Say it with me. Toupee. Outdated term used to describe a small hair replacement that covers the top or crown of the head. Wig block. Say it with me. Wig block. Also known as styling, a head-shaped form made of plastic, foam, or other materials used as a strain for a wig or replacement system.